Hi friends, welcome to my channel Just Be. So in this video I'll be explaining you on the cost I paid for the first service of my BMW G310 GS. Actually I got my bike from Tusker Enterprises Bangalore, which is right now the only available dealer for BMW motorcycles in Bangalore. I booked my bike in December 2020, whereas I got my delivery on August 2021, which is actually an 8-month long wait. So dealer cited the lockdown as a reason, but yeah, but right now I think you can get your vehicle within 2 to 3 months of waiting period. So coming to the service, so first service should be done within a month or 1000 kilometers, and there is no free service offered by BMW, which is a point to be noted. And you should actually pre-book your service with Tusker either through call or mail, and they will provide you a comfortable slot. So please keep in mind to pre-book than directly walking in. And so I dropped my vehicle on the booked slot around 10:30 a.m. and got my vehicle back around 5 p.m. on the same day. So this is the advantage of pre-booking. Else if you just directly walk into the service center, then you may or may not get your vehicle back on the same day. Coming back to the main topic, so this is the service cost receipt. You can see Tusker Enterprises. So the first service is either 1000 kilometers or within a month. So this I have covered around 1119 kilometers when I dropped my bike for service. Okay, these are just the basic details about the vehicle. And yeah, let's look at the one more thing. So there are actually two receipts, one for parts cost and the other for labor cost. So as I said, there is no free service offered by BMW, and hence the labor cost here. Let me start with the parts cost. Yeah, here if you see, there are 4 parts which has been replaced. The first one is EOP, which is actually the engine oil. So that costed around 1691, and the second one is oil filter, that is around 275 rupees, and then 2 rings, which is O-ring and gasket ring, that cost around 115 rupees. So the part cost alone is around 2082 excluding GST and 2458 including GST. So this is on the parts cost. Let me show you the labor cost. So here again 4 categories. The one is a BMW running in check, which is around 1520. This is actually the basic servicing cost, I mean the basic labor cost. And then the second is performing vehicle test with BMW motor or diagnostic system, which is around 570. And again third one is programming control units of vehicle along with testing software, which is 380. So during service they just plug in the vehicle to their BMW system, and they will get to know if there are any electronic systems that is down or anything that needs to be upgraded. So that is the second and third points. And the last one is cleaning motorcycle, which is around 950. So yeah, this just for cleaning motorcycle costing around 1000 rupees is a lot. So the total is around 3420 excluding GST, and around 4036 rupees including GST. Okay, so this is on the labor cost. So the total cost including parts as well as labor cost is around 6494, and this is the cost according to this date, 11 September 2021 in Bangalore. So the service cost differs for each geographic locations. So this is the cost for Bangalore as of September 2021.